Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to give you a quick lesson how to create a video on Snapchat. To do this, open up your Snapchat. And usually when you create a Snapchat, you just select the little ring and it takes a photo, right? Well, if you want to create a video, all you need to do is actually hold on to this and you can see it will start recording a video. And the moment you let go, that video will be cut out. And here you can see the video is playing currently. And that's pretty much how you do it. Hope this helped you. If it did, leave a like and subscribe. And for more tips, stay tuned again. Also, just a quick mention. You can add some special effects from here, but I'll let you get to know those on your own. Why am I studying so much? So make sure to experiment before hanging out and sending them really. Yep, that's it. Hope this helped. See you next time.